We can finally grow our hair with herbs. Remember I said that I'm trying to get my hair back and I'll be infusing Ayurvedic herbs. So these are the herbs I have handy and I'll be telling you about each and every one of them. Stay tuned to the end of this video so that you can also know how you can infuse these herbs in your next DIY. So stay tuned.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it.
So for my thesis during my master's degree program, I worked on lavender. 3 species of lavender. That's lavandula dentata, lavandula angustifolia, and lavandula stochas. Alright, so for these 3 I made like a comparative analysis and I was able to actually extract the essential oil from each of the species, right? So in this video I just want to show you how they look like after a year and how many months. If you can take notes of the date on this particular powder that you're seeing, you know that I've had these herbs for more than a year now. So moving on, there are little research that shows that lavender can actually promote hair growth, in the sense that, you know, for 3 weeks in the lab it was tested on mice and the mice actually grew out hair within 3 weeks. The essential oil in particular is known to promote blood circulation, which would in turn promote healthy hair growth. So that is why it is advisable to use essential oil, but you need to dilute it with carrier oil like your olive oil, your castor oil, almond oil, and the rest. So in recent time I want to, you know, try to test it out, like use these powders, use their leaves for DIY, for my Ayurvedic hair mist, Ayurvedic oil, and the rest. So I will not just be using the lavender alone, the 3 species. I'll be infusing clove. You already know that cloves have hair growth properties, right? So we'll be trying it out alongside the fenugreek, alongside flaxseed, and the likes. So these herbs generally, they have properties that would, you know, promote healthy hair growth, and I'll be infusing it in my mixture in no time. So you need to stay tuned till the end of this video one, and also you need to also stay tuned to my page, subscribe to my channel, so that when I start dropping the tutorials you would not miss out at all. You will not miss out. This is like the page for DIYs on hair growth and, you know, before and afters and the rest, so you definitely don't want to miss out. So this is our fenugreek, and you know I infuse fenugreek in my hibiscus hairspray. If you've not seen the video, check my playlist that is tagged DIY for massive hair growth. You'll be able to see like tutorial on how to do it and also how to apply it on your hair for massive hair growth. So ensure that you go to your nearest store, your nearest herb store where they sell cloves, fenugreek, flaxseed, rosemary, and the rest, and get these herbs so that you can also do what I do, the tutorial I show. You can also do it yourself and apply on your hair. But remember, you're not supposed to use this DIY every single day. To avoid product overload, you have to use it 4 to 5 times weekly. See you in my next. Bye.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers.